Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So we have a piece of yew on the lathe, and right now we are going to mark out for a mortise. Alright, so we've got the camera into position, the lathe turned on, and the first tool we're going to use is the full-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. I'm going to start by flattening off the bottom first of all. And then gradually go around to the sides. All at the same time we are going to make a foot. There we go. Just keep going round until we've got the shape that we like. There we go. You see a few crack marks there, so we're gonna deal with that. So I filled them with some brown CA glue off camera. So now we are going to make the mortise. So the first tool here is the mid-size detailer. We're going to clear it all out with the #1 hollower. Flatten everything off with the mid-size rougher. And back to the detailer to match the angles of the jaws in the chuck. There you go. So I've already done most of the sanding, so we're just going to sand to 240 grit here. There you go, you can see I've rounded off them edges as well, so they're not so sharp. A lot of this sanding was done with the lathe stationary, bit of compressed air. Clean the grain there with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Alright, so now we're just going to quickly mark out where we want the dish of the bowl to be. And now we're going to get to doing some hollowing. So the first tool we're going to use is the #1 hollower. Had to be real careful about the angle that I made the dish. We obviously didn't want to go through the sides, but to keep an eye on that. And of course, you had to keep an eye on the depth as well, because you didn't want to make the funnel. And here's the mid-size rougher. So we're just going to flatten it off and clean up all of the, I guess, the dirty piece of wood. So it's all nice and clean. We're going to give it a nice little lip there as well. And we're going to use the mid-size detailer just to round that lip off. And then give it a couple of detail lines. And there you go. Alright, so once again, already done most of the sanding. So once again, sanding up to 240 grit here with Klingspor Abrasives. Bit of compress there. Clean the grain with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And some Hampshire Sheen food and toy safe Danish oil. Slow-mo.
Change a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong.
Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.